my iMac finally came in. So being able to finally get it is like the biggest accomplishment, because you know when you've just been saving for so long and you're so tempted to always go back to that money and use it, and you never do, and it's finally paid off. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. I am so very grateful, you know, that I was able to do this. So yeah, okay, let's get into it. I purchased this a couple of days before Christmas of 2019, and it has finally arrived. We are in January of 2020. Happy New Year to everyone. It has finally arrived. Now, I did order mine with some custom specifications that I wanted. So I just want to talk about that before we go ahead and do the unboxing in the other room. So basically, with the MacBook the iMac that I got, it's a desktop. I got the 21.5 inch. I was really wanting the 27 inch, and I initially did go in to purchase the 27 inch, but halfway through I realized where I want to put it, it's not gonna fit. So we downgraded to the 21.5 inch, but that meant that I could upgrade some internal specs because the price obviously went down. So okay, so what I did, I am not a computer genius. I do not know much about computers, if or anything. But what I did do just before I went out to purchase my iMac, I googled like the best computers for graphic designers or for people doing YouTube videos, because that's what I wanted it for. You know, for my business keepsakes and also for YouTube videos. So I googled it, and I did, there was a couple of videos that came up that just had some really in-depth, really good information on what type of internal specs you need when you're going to buy a computer. So that was really good. I ended up purchasing my Mac from JB Hi-Fi, but it would cost the same had I purchased it from Apple. Only difference being is that they would have delivered it to my door, whereas with JB I had to go pick it up. That was the only difference. Apple also has, for a limited time, I don't know if it'll still be running by the time I post this video, but for all the Aussies, they have a 24-month interest-free plan. So if you are looking to buy a MacBook or any Apple product, it has to be, I think there's like a minimum spend, but you can get it on 24 months interest-free. So if you know you can pay something off within the 24 months, definitely go ahead and grab that. But I've been saving for mine legit for a couple of years now. Yeah, so now when you go to that one, it shows you the base price, and now as you upgrade some of its internal features, the price obviously increases. Apple Care, is that what it's called? I got 2 years Apple Care on it, just because I am the biggest club and 100% something's going to happen to it. Very quickly, i7 processor, 16 gigs of memory, the Radeon Pro 560 graphics card, 512 gigs of SSD storage, the Magic Mouse 2 and the Magic Trackpad 2, which is optional, and you get the Magic Keyboard included. So that's everything I got, and let's go and unbox it. So first off, we have we've got the keyboard. Okay, so we've got the keyboard. This is what I wanted to know. So that's the keyboard. We've got the keyboard. We have got the mouse. And we have the trackpad in here too. Because a lot of the unboxings I saw, they either just got the keyboard and the trackpad, or the keyboard and the mouse. But I am showing you guys all three. So it comes like that. That's really cute. And it also comes with like the instructions and everything. So we have got this little thing, and we take out our cord to start up the computer. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I am a massive person who likes to keep any and all packaging. I don't know why, but I like to keep all my packaging. Unboxing. Okay, I'm gonna set this up and then I'll probably come back and record and show you guys how this thing actually sets up. Now, before I do go right ahead and show you the setup, I did want to show you 3 items that I bought off eBay. Now, I will link these below, and I bought these from, I'm pretty sure I bought these from Australian sellers, because I bought these I think a day or 2 after I ordered the iMac. I went on and I bought these, and they came before the iMac arrived. So these came all like last week, which was straight after New Year's. I got covers because with me, when this is out on days where I'm not working, it just stays out. I've got 2 kids, so they make a lot of mess, and sometimes they come in the room, sometimes I've got like drinks laying around, and you know, sometimes I'm just in the room but I'm not using the stuff, and I don't want these to get wrecked. It says designed for the Apple Magic Keyboard, but I'm pretty sure when I ordered it, it said keyboard too, so we are just going to see if it fits. So basically, these are the boxes that it comes in. Apparently you can like them on Facebook. This is for the Magic Trackpad, and then this is for the mouse. This is the keyboard case. Looks like that. Leather, faux leather, I'm guessing it's from eBay. It's like really nicely done though, it doesn't look cheap. Take this off and you put the keyboard inside. This is the Magic Trackpad case. Looks like that. Full leather on the back like this one. So that's good. And you store it in there. And then you've got the mouse case. Leather on this side, and this comes off, and you put the mouse in there. So yeah. Okay, let's just go ahead and see if this stuff works, like if it fits in here, which I don't think it does. Maybe it will without the... Okay, so that fits in there. I'm going to take the plastic off because the plastic's making it a bit thicker. Oh snap! Okay, the computer's telling me to turn my stuff on. Unwrapping. Back in there. Oh my god, that fits like a glove. Trackpad. This is beautiful. I love my bed air. I don't know how good. Look at that glass look. Okay, that's a trackpad. Take a chance on faith. It's too late now. Oh my god, amazing. I freaking love this. Look, everything fit like a glove. Oh my god, I love this. I'm so excited about this because I was really nervous about this coming in and me not being happy. Oh look, it's got the charger. It's only got 1 charger. Come on man, I've got 3 devices. Are you kidding me? So it's telling me to turn on all my stuff. See it any other way, I know I gotta keep the faith. I never want no look. English, Australian. English is the main language. Press the return key. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a ballast, please. Take a chance. Oh, I need to go get the instrument concert.
Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance. Take a chance on faith, so take a chance. Take a chance on faith.
So thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing. If you guys are watching this unboxing because you're waiting for yours, congratulations on your new iMac. And you know, I can't wait for you guys to have this excitement because this is bloody amazing.